Hey, what's up guys? Today I've got some exciting news for you tech enthusiasts out there. The Vivo T3 Ultra has just popped up on Geekbench, and we've got the details on its scores, expected price, and specs ahead of its official launch. So let's dive right in. First up, the Geekbench details. The Vivo T3 Ultra appears with the model number V2426. It scored an impressive 1,854 points on the single-core test and a whopping 5,066 points on the multi-core test. This phone is packing at least 12 GB of RAM and is running Android 14. Under the hood, it's powered by the octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus SoC. Pretty solid, right? Now let's talk about the expected pricing in India. According to tipster Abhishek Yadav, the Vivo T3 Ultra might come in 3 variants. The base model with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage is expected to be priced at Rs 30,999. The 8 GB plus 256 GB variant might cost Rs 32,999, and the top-tier 12 GB plus 256 GB model could set you back Rs 34,999. And for the colors, you can expect Luna Gray and Frost Green options. Slick, right? So, what about the specs? A recent report by 91 Mobiles suggests that the Vivo T3 Ultra will sport a 6.77-inch curved AMOLED display with a 5K resolution. And get this, it'll have a 120 Hz refresh rate and 4,500 nits peak brightness. That's going to look amazing for sure. In the camera department, it's got a 50 MP main sensor with OIS paired with an 8 MP secondary camera. Selfie game is strong too with a 16 MP front camera. Other features include dual speakers and an in-display fingerprint sensor. Oh, and did I mention it's expected to have an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance? Yeah, this phone's going to be a beast. Remember, these details are based on tips and speculations, so take them with a pinch of salt. We're expecting Vivo to drop the official details soon, so stay tuned for more updates. That's all for today's video. If you're hyped for the Vivo T3 Ultra, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates. Catch you in the next one. Tech Devil.